Hey y'all, hey, and I am back to bring you guys another hair review. And today's hair is provided courtesy of Afrodiva hair, and I just want to say thank you to them for choosing me to review your hair. So you guys, I am showing you the packaging that the hair came in, as well as the wig cap that it came with. Now this is the wig fresh out of the bag, y'all. It is a T-part water wave unit, and this is my first T-part wig. And as you can see, I'm able to run my fingers through, and with it being in that bag, it did have like a little bump that was in the unit, but that's okay. Y'all already know we can fix it. And I know y'all talking about my ashy hands, but it's okay, y'all. You know I keep my hands clean, as you should. If you're not washing your hands, especially in the times that we are in, what are you doing? But yes, you guys, this is just the T part that it has on the unit. Hey y'all, hey, and we are back to give you guys another hair review. And you guys, you saw in the video of the unpackaging that this is not the same unit as it was before, you guys. I actually cut it. I cut it and I dyed it. You can't see the dye really just because the lights are doing it no justice, but it's like a burgundy color, you guys. At the length that it was at, you guys, it was too thin for my liking. So I went in and I chopped her up and I made her into a cute little bob, which is all cool with me because I did want a curly bob anyway. And even though we're heading into the winter months, I will be wearing her, and of course once summertime hits, she will be getting a lot of wear. It is that T-part unit, and at first I didn't know how I would like a T-part, because in order for you to get it on the side you have to shift the wig, but that doesn't bother me at all, just because of the simple fact I wear middle parts a lot anyway. I love middle parts. Middle parts are basically what it is that I wear. Now I want to keep it fluffed out like this, but the curl pattern, as you guys saw in the video, is really nice. The only downside to this unit is the fact that at the length that it was at, it was just too thin for me. It just did not give what she was supposed to give. She did not look how she was supposed to look. So I did go in and chop and screw her, like I said, and I dyed her. But other than that, the shipping was fast. The unit came packaged nicely, and it came with no smell. But the way that it was thin, y'all, that was the only downside to it. But other than that, you guys, you know I will leave the link for this unit down below in the description box so that you can pick her up if you are feeling her. If you were feeling her at the length that she was at, then keep her at the length that she was at. But this is just what I feel like fits me more, is me chopping her up. And even after me dyeing it, with the dye that I used I want to say I used the Cream of Nature burgundy shade on this, and even after me dyeing it, it was just like the little box dye. Y'all already know how the box dyes look. Even after me dyeing her, she's still soft and I can still run my fingers through her freely. She is giving me Beyonce in Drunken Love. That is what she is giving me, with the fact that I have her puffed up like this. I have not wet her to see how she would look wet, because y'all know I love big hair, and the fact that this is short and big, I'm getting my life with the unit being just like this, with no water on her. And no, I do not have it stuck down or anything. This, with it being a T-part, I actually only have the comb that is in the back inserted into my braids at the base of my neck, and I just pulled out hairs for baby hairs, but I don't have it stuck down in the front. I did use the Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel on these edges. Y'all said this in a previous video, but I don't know why Child, this is heaven. This is a little piece of heaven. Love it. But I will, like I said before, leave the link for this unit down in the description box below. And yes, you guys, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join the tribe. All right, you guys. Bye.